heavy hitter here once again for WallStreetFatCats. Today is January the 5th, 2010. Alright guys, I did 3 trades today, all day today. I did a pot, Amazon, and RIMM. First chart we have here is a Potash Corp, POT, on the 1 minute chart. Okay, on my Twitter, I put that a pot was up big. It was up 2-3 points in the morning. I didn't know why it was up. I got here a little late. Once I saw that it was already up. I almost got here right when the bell rang. So I didn't realize why pot was up. And then on Twitter, I put that I was gonna look for a morning gap fill. I don't know if you guys can see this big gap right here. So I was looking for a fill on that. But didn't happen. So what I did, I was about to go short on the right in the morning, the first candle right here, and then on the second one, I saw that it was coming down right here, and then once I saw it come down, I was trying to get fill for a short, but then I saw it. I ended up canceling my order, and I was gonna re-enter another short, but then I saw it pop up huge, so I was like, oh man, if it breaks this high of the day, it's gonna go, because I saw the volume picking up, so um, I saw it take off and I chased it and I chased it, and once this bar closed, I wanted to get filled, um, but I thought I was gonna start coming down, but then I still saw volume picking up, so I went and I put my order in at a 115.90 on this candle. This is the 932 candle, 3 minutes into the into the date. And right away, I mean, in less than 30 seconds, I got filled. I went in 1,000 shares. I got filled, and with strength, it just took it all the way up. And then I kept putting my stop. I just kept moving it up and moving it up, and then I ended up putting my stop for 1 point, and it ended up taking me out. It just went up, came down, took me out, and then the next candle happened. So I was pretty happy about that. So in about, let's just say, like 40 seconds, I made $1,000 on pot. So that was pretty awesome. Um, and that's the only trade I did on pot. Everything else was I saw the volume. It ended up being upgraded. So that was the reason why I had that, and I learned that after I was in the position. So usually when a stock is upgraded, I mean the trend is up. Even if you think it's gonna short, just go along on it. And pot got upgraded pretty good. I think the target price was like 130 some, 134, 130 something around there, that area. So as you can see, pot, it just kept, it climbed up right here, and then just consolidated, kept sticking in this range, and then later on in the day is when it came down. That's a nice S right there. It came down, and yeah, that's when the short, that was a good short, and then it just ended up popping back up, and um, so that's it for pot. And then the next trade that I did, oh, let me show you guys right here before I forget. Here you go, long pot, 915. I'm sorry, 115.90, and then out for 116.90 for 1.6 hours ago. So that was pretty awesome. All right, next trade I want to talk about is Amazon short. Let me get here. Okay, and right after pot, I saw Amazon coming down, so this one was pretty awesome too. I ended up getting filled at 132.70 at 932, which is this one right here. Um, uh, on this one, I saw volume picking up on the short side, so I saw it coming down, and I just rode it and I rode it. I ended up putting my stop in for 80 cents, and at 932 I got taken out at I'm sorry, at 937 I ended up getting taken out at 131.90 on this red candle right here. It came down, I ended up putting my stop in, took me out, and then that's when it started coming up. So this one was pretty quick too. About 5 minutes, $800. Not too bad. Um, and then on Twitter too, I have it right here. Pot short 172. Uh, I'm sorry, 132.70, and then Amazon covered at 131. And then also I put right here for pot. Was looking for a gap fill, didn't get it. It was too strong, so careful shorting it. You know, always up nice in the morning on the long. So that was pretty awesome. All right, next one was RIMM. This one wasn't too bad. I held on to this one the longest and I got the least amount of gain. Um, let's see. I went in at 10.23. I went in on the this little doji right here. I saw that it was breaking my gray line right here, um, so I ended up getting in. I got in at a 66.90 short, and I just took it down, and I held on to it for. I held on all this. It came up, and I was down about like 10 cents, 15 cents around there. I think it was. I should have added more, but I didn't. As you can see right here, it's a pretty toppy. It started consolidating a little bit, so I knew it was gonna end up coming down, but I didn't add any more. I should have added at least like 500 more shares or another 1,000. That would have been nice. Broke my gray line, then broke the orange line, so this was cool. And then right here, I figured that it was gonna get support. As you can see right here, I found support on the black line, so I ended up covering right there for 35 cents, so $350. So all in all, that was pretty good. And yeah, that was it. That's all I did this morning. I really didn't do much after that. I just kept watching stocks and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's already 4:16 Eastern time right now, so my day's done. Three trades today. Pot was awesome. Got 1 point. Amazon 80 cents, and then RIMM 35 cents for 1,000 shares on both. Total profit of 1,835. So that was pretty cool. Um, all right, guys. Heavy hitter for Wall Street Fat Cats.